Reason number 11. Forced appreciation. Don't around for your property to appreciate and give it a little push. With SFRs, you don't have to sit back and hope for the market to boost your property's value. Instead, take matters into your own hands by making strategic upgrades and renovations. Whether it's a fresh coat of paint or a full-on remodel, these improvements can instantly increase the property's value and rental income potential, like adding a turbocharger to your investment. Reason number 12. Community impact. There's a lot of chatter about whether SFRs are good for communities, but let's set the record straight. Investing in quality SFRs can actually be a win-win for everyone involved. When done right, these investments improve housing options and bring stability to entire neighborhoods. Over time, well-maintained properties and thoughtful management will boost property values and make neighborhoods more desirable. So don't listen to the naysayers. Your SFR could be the catalyst for positive change in your community. For highly experienced realtor advice, visit our website at 277home.com.